Hello, my country people. Welcome back again. No, another one. Don't share again, my people. Make una come see the latest update in town, the latest saga where he just newly the waka they go for inside town. Now between Mr. Benjamin, baby father to Vera, and Enoge one of Dutchland. Now in this saga concern my people. Make una welcome back again. Make una come see the latest update in town. This saga, my people, I don't know as I want to describe am. E heavy well. My people, Enogie, one of Dutchland, Papa Triplets, and Vera TV, Baby Papa, don't finally enter one chance. They don't finally pull up for one chance. For Enoge live video, Mr. Benjamin call Enoge say why Enoge go dey insult am for in live video. Na Enoge come say why your wife Vera go still dey insult im own wife. So na the man come ask am say he no be a presenter, wetin happen? Na so the whole matter come take happen. From there, they come start to dey insult each other. Okay, my people, the next video where he come outside, come surprise, come see say Vera husband don't come outside, come do video. Now it's okay, make I quickly talk about this matter. Wetin happen wey make Vera husband come outside, come dey do live video. Now they come say now because say and Enoge no get dey in good things, na make the man come outside. My people, hey, make una come see as him come out, as Benjamin come outside, my people, then welcome and say you are welcome to the field of saga. You are welcome to social media, where a house of no return. Hey, my people, I shock. I say wetin dey happen. Nothing we will not see for inside Facebook. So now know say for a very long time, Vera's program, television program, never, her husband never enter this saga line. But I just surprised say he can't join this saga line of recent. Now I say okay, make I bring the matter, come give una, make una come see wetin dey happen. No, say Mr. Benjamin don't finally turn to presenter according to the way people take talk am. They say na presenter now they welcome her with full hand. Hey, my people, who go fit hold this fight, my country people? Now so it take happen, my dear people. Okay, so as it dey hot and as it dey hot, now I say make I just deliver the message give una say Mr. Benjamin don't finally come out. I can't reply Enoge. Say Enoge insult in your papa. Now some people come say why Mr. Benjamin go come out. Say who the person where your wife they insult ever since they not be person in papa. Make I leave una, make una watch the full video, my. So now there they come say your wife they insult people, husband they insult people, family. Hey, now they come say urie. Una know say once they tell pikin that kind of thing, pikin will cry well. Uri also will convey. You know they go anywhere today, you will stay with me. And so the matter they happen to my people. As I they tell you, na area don scatter, everywhere don burst. Everywhere don burst, my people. Now so we see the matter we dey for inside town. Okay, oh my people, I no go to take for this video. If you are just watching for the first time, you are welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, you all are welcome, and to my returnees, may God bless you all for me in Jesus' name. So my people, now so we see the matter we dey for inside time. I bet make una help me give this video I like your team. Whether e good wey Vera baby papa come outside come reply Enoge, or e no good, they say because they say e wife too na presenter. So why e go come say your person they cause him papa? Whether in your wife no they cause person, they cause person papa. So now the update in town be that one, my country people. Now I say make a quick just alert una, make una come hear wetin dey. The man, he cool, he fine, he handsome, he's cute. Okay, make I give una the full video, my guys.
Mona call me Enogie. Enogie, you will be Carol White boy. Enogie, you will be bastard. You will Google kill papa, kill mama. Enogie, you no fear. You call. See, I don't want to curse your wife because I don't know her before. Me don't even know you before. I don't get you be fool. You say that rusticate me for school. Fine. My papi even train me for university, Abi. I even enter, Abi. But you are not gay. You see, your next life self, you not going to even know how higher institution even be self. Because this is your life. This one don't fair pass you. You don't pass 40 years now, Abi. You see the move for Europe. Who they there, who they watch? When I share this video, make go meet Enogie. Because the person too they keep quiet. It go be like say maybe they fear. I know what they do. I not be fool. I not be fool. You know understand so? You see, you they talk rubbish. Now they talk rubbish. You know Vera, you can't do this one. Vera can't do this one. Vera, that one can't do that one. See, Enoch you not be fool. You don't see as they be so. Me don't start my life tete for German now. But you now, since when you they turn up and down, they turn up and down since now you they start your life. You see your life. Now woman see they tell you, woman go they drive you now, go outside, drive you, come inside, drive you, go upon the Carol White when you don't run for body. Woman see they disgrace you up and down. And okay, you be fool or there. You don't know anything. You have the see, and okay, you know, if person not really go school. I don't know, people will not go school. But sorry to say to others. But if person not go school, you come me say go they mad. You they find view fine. You they find view. Okay, you they get the views, but what you call concern me concerns you. Now me you want to get views. No, if you use me get views for 1 month, they pay you the money finish. Abi, next month you want to use me take get, you don't get sense. Abi told that fire you Enogie. Enogie, you are a bastard. And never do well. See, your papa go they see if your papa dey grave or anywhere where they cry for your body. You don't see as you be now. You say me they drive, me no dey see money. Fine, me no see money to buy fuel for car one they use. Okay, fine. But you get. I know they can't make math, I know they rake. Go find. See, find out people wey don't even stay 30 years for German. No, they don't feel many know they both say they want drive car. When in horsepower, hear me well. In horsepower, more than 250 horsepower. They know they try them. But I they drive them. They drive them. Like Ferrari for Autobahn. Go ask. Or Zuo. Fool. What do you fit do for the Germany? Nothing wey you fit do. You never go work one day. They don't know you say you don't even go work. Your tax never read. Say you don't work for the country. Nothing. you don't even take care. They say you get pikin for house. You know they shame, you know. Enoki, I don't be like you. Enoki, ask of me for AAU. Wetin you say you be, you ask the people. Eh? Ask. If you ask, you must see one or two. If you don't get, call me. I fit send them for you. If I say I go call them, now make them call you. You are a bastard. Why you not both? You they both. I tell you yesterday. Now make me they tell you yesterday. Can't tell they tell you yesterday. You carry your phone. You come out for you. You won't be you bam. You wait till you be roadside. They know you. Mugu. Now tell you Enogi, you not get sense. Enogi, you not get sense. If you get sense, as you don't even they do the social media reach, they clap and follow you, they follow women, they talk every day by day. Enogi, you suppose don't switch. They do another thing. May Ogun no kill you because you want they took carry your hand, they pass where you not supposed to put them. You want they carry your hand, they pass where you not supposed to put them. You think said nobody be Superman. Go ask any of your people now. You they fair offend me so, and I go report you. See now, boss, you want to go as a Dortmund you they stay. Mugu. Now Dortmund you they stay. When you they enter boss, you can't wait for me. Now bus stop before can't wait for me. Because they say, why you walk go? You say you get married. You walk go the Dortmund. You not call me say, I ask you yesterday, no, okay. Which time you want me to take meet? I be fool. I just come stay Dortmund. I just park. I just stay a Bahnhof. They tell you say I be Bahnhof boy. You be fool, Enogi. I get many things to handle. Enogi, you never start to dey pay one bill. You see, you be Oswo, Mugu. Till you see your life so. As you they talk, you go know this. As you do rich, do live video rich. People they small boys they area, they don't even do live, but all of them they get where they stay. They don't get house. But you just at the end, you see as your life they end. I love my woman so much. I love my. You don't love that woman. Shut up your mouth. And okay, you don't love that woman. Let me tell you the facts. And okay, you are just doing all this. Maybe they will give you document. And okay, you don't love that. You are a big fool. And okay, you don't love that woman. No single love. Tell her, say, this is what you will do. This is what you will not do. How can you tell your woman now what to do and what not to do? You are a fool, big fool. Now you even marry Abi. Now you they marry Abi. Now they marry you. When they talk for your head. And okay, turn that fire your papa, fire your mama. Because you think say baby bear, no, no, I don't come master. No, I don't get mad to talk. You they use mouth say they talk. No, my mouth they shut time now, Abi. My mouth is shut, ne? My mouth is shut. Swine. See, Enoki. As of my story in Germany, they will tell you. If I have a father here, it not depend on him like, hey, some people, yoko, my papa, my papa, my papa. Fool. My father is proud of that. Yes. Yes. My papa called me around 1 o'clock in the night now. When train no go, I will go there and meet him. He will be surprised. I don't show. Not be bongo say anybody can drive. As far as say you have money, you just buy any car you can drive. You know how it is here. You this rest, eh? Because I thought that go fire you. Better talk to you, not me saying that me you want call to talk to. If you not get respect for yourself, get for people. You know understand so? Then they still not talk to you. See me now, they talk. Yes, I curse your wife. Don't be say how they fear your wife. Because I know here say she they follow you now, they curse me. Now you don't come outside now, they curse me based on you say you be a social media, you be presenter. Presenter my food. What are you presenting? What can you present? Nothing. That to talk like women. That to woman every night. You this motherfucker. If you don't know yourself, okay, go buy sense, join sense. Getting views because you see one day your Facebook go down. Before you rise again, you know how it feels. Now me first you get what is called page. But I don't come outside. I don't use them till they bull women or they bull people because they give me money. How much they won't give me? Why can't you live a good life? You are constituting nuisance in the society. That laugh, I just sit down and just they laugh. Fool. Because European, they count everybody, we are Africans. Okay, all of them are the same. Fool. You don't know, say you and some people not be the same. All boys wear trousers, I see wear trousers, wear shirt, I see shirt wear. When the supermarket shirt and trousers and shoes when they wear up and down. If you don't still, give me my own respect, That's it. They say, okay, I will not talk to such person. Man, leave that person. So now me, you want to call you to get your own. It not go better for you, It not go better for you. Your papa now no dey Europe. Do you see life? Even though I curse your papa now, heaven, you know go if you see, even though they hear self, village men. But I don't know why people una go all those nobodies, una go always want una come they use body take the near person so that una they carry una dirtiness, they put for that person body, no go kill you. But why you go carry my matter for ground? Why? Why you go carry my matter for ground? Why? They do presenter just to speak now. I quickly get small money. I quickly what do they use the money do? Supermarket clothes. You they lie up and down. They say Benjamin buy for it. He can't run leave this thing tax tele. Fool. They can't give us traffic. What are you normal? Are you normal? Ask some people if you be say you really wetin you really be, now you be. Ask them. Me and they don't waka. Ask them. For this dustbin, if we meet, whether not be full tank I dey buy. Because I don't know where my journey won't go again now. I have to, my tank go full. Because I can move at any time. I don't be like you now. You call yourself, they say, may my boss never go. That's what tear your head. You go tear your head before your boss go come. May go kill you. Go tear your head, leave you for there. Still match leave you. Mugu. You don't have sense. You when you they wait for boss before your boss they call. You know waiting one knock you. Because everybody they keep quiet for abroad. You devil go, you do anyhow, you will see anyhow. If like me, if now you first see me, okay, tell me to our meet. If I me first see you, I told you to our meet. Fool. You don't have sense. You can't stone put for chest. I be there find you, they're not gonna see you. Idiots. When you cannot afford anything, you see people when do and body go be pepper you. Now me you come say you want carry for grant. If you get other people when they carry them for grant. It's not my business. How can you just sit down and say that my matter? You want to come they talk. Benjamin, oh, Mugu. Son of a bitch. You don't have sense at all, Enogi. You need sense. Before you they talk for the country, say, first go school. First go acquire, know how to even greet with Dutch. Don't be to call them and sit down for his house, they do live video every day by day. Make people, thousands of people don't shop am. Tete. You don't hear me so? As we where I for graduate, as it be say, I not die for dead, they not kill me. Enoge, you too small now. May thunder fire you. Enoge, you too small. Not be everything man want to talk. If you know for yourself. Enoge, you too small. You too small. Person if he pass you, no see him. Thunder fire you. Clock. If na 4 o'clock, say me meet for so place 4 o'clock. You don't hear so? Now so they take the call person. Not be say you there, you can't call this place, you not can't go there, you know. They don't even reach Dortmund. Find you, whether I go even use I see you. And I not see you. You be Mugu. You don't enter bus. And go your city. I know your city venting. I don't come there where. Victim, sorry. Victim. I get friends for there too. I don't come there where. I know how the band of be. You go stay there, they find bus. I bet me I use this. You be fool Enoge. May thunder fire you Enoge. You be fool. If you not be Jew, if you see me again, if you anytime when you take see me, talk out for my tell me what you be. Make I control who they control you. Make I tell them. Apart from party, no people party when you they go. When by the month you see even they carry you, when carry you even know all those places they go. You go club where boys they sit down. Be you where you they go? Which Afro shop there for they meet you? Which one? You they wait till you where you they go? Where they'll see you see? Where they'll meet you? Idiots. This video go get to you, and if you not get to you, it must get to you. Another one will still come for you. Use me get view, eh? Sure you want? Sure you dey find view. I go. Stupid boy. They never do well. Your matter. Your don't need to define to the call for your matter. Enogi. No need to the call. You know here so. I go wait when you fair fool yourself. Now make yesterday they tell me where you did, where I foresee you now. This and that one send me your address. You want donation? Oh fool! What do you want talk? When they check my profile, see what I don't do, see what you never even do. You when you say you want go which kind of report size again you want go make? Stupid boy. They mention donation. Now Italy you did for here. Now you run for Italy. Come here, come they make mouth. You run for that side. People there that side when still make them. You still come here now. Nothing for you. Eh? Nothing for you. At the end of the day, see they wait for woman for his side. They made that woman pursue you last time. When I not be train station, you'll go back, go to do live video. You get where you want to do live video. When they first pursue you, not be you'll go Baby Saloon. Find where you want to do. Go near road, go garden, go to do live video. Stupid boy. You they do at that time. Me, I already there my house when my name there's an address. Enogi. You they talk past, you they see, you don't see. You are beating what you can't chew. Stupid boy.